In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple emails in Outlook. If your inbox is overflowing and you want a fast, reliable way to clear it up, this walkthrough will show you 3 approaches, from precise selection to bulk cleanup, all using built-in tools. First, let's handle scattered emails, where the messages you want to remove aren't next to each other. Start by selecting the folder in the folder pane where those messages live. Click once on the first email you want to delete to highlight it. Now, hold down the Control key and continue clicking each additional email you want to include. You'll see each one become highlighted without losing your earlier selections. When you've got everything you want, press the Delete key. Those emails will move to your Deleted Items folder, so if you make a mistake, you can still recover them. This method is perfect when you're curating a cleanup, keeping what matters and removing the rest with confidence. If you're ready to wipe out everything in a folder, the fastest option is to select all emails at once. Click any single email in that folder to activate the list. Then press Ctrl+A to select all messages. With everything highlighted, press the Delete key. This quickly clears the folder's contents, including unread messages, so double-check that you're in the right folder before you commit. If you change your mind right away, you can use Undo to revert, or open Deleted Items to restore specific messages. For a smarter bulk cleanup that preserves important content, use Outlook's built-in cleanup feature. On the Home tab, look for the Delete section and click Cleanup. Choose Cleanup folder to remove redundant messages automatically. Outlook will analyze conversations and delete earlier messages that are fully contained in later replies, helping you keep the latest, most complete threads while trimming duplicates. Nothing outside those threads is touched, and anything removed goes to Deleted Items, so you can review changes afterward. This is a great option to reduce noise without manually hunting for older replies in long conversations. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always make sure you're working in the correct folder to avoid accidental deletions. If you prefer, you can test cleanup on a smaller folder first to see how it behaves. And remember, Deleted Items acts as a safety net, so you have a chance to restore anything you didn't mean to remove. That's it, 3 straightforward ways to delete multiple emails in Outlook. Thanks for watching.